Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Notion calendar for team scheduling. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Log into your Notion account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, locate the workspace where you want to add the calendar. On the left sidebar, click the plus new page button to create a new page. In the new page, type Team Calendar or any name of your choice. Press Enter to create the page. Next, look for the Empty Page option and click it. Now, you will see a blank page where you can start building your calendar. Click on the / key, type Calendar in the search bar that appears. Select Calendar Inline to add a calendar directly to your page. You should see a blank calendar appear on your page. Now, you can customize the calendar by adding new events. To add an event, click on the plus icon on any date in the calendar. This opens a pop-up window. In the pop-up, enter the title of the event. You can also set the date and time for the event by filling in the relevant fields. Add any additional details in the description area, if necessary. When you are finished, click the Save button. Your event will now appear on the calendar. To edit an existing event, simply click on it and make any changes. If you want to invite team members, use the Did Mention feature to tag them in the event. You can also add reminders or checklists related to the event within the same pop-up window. To share the calendar with your team, click on the Share button at the top right corner of the page. Adjust the sharing settings to allow team members to view or edit the calendar as needed. With these steps, your Notion calendar for team scheduling is now ready to use. Encourage your team to regularly update the calendar with their events. This will help streamline communication and keep everyone on the same page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.